Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to reset DRM on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, find and pick the settings, scroll down and go to Backup and Reset, and now you will notice DRM Reset. So simply click on it, and if you truly want to delete all DRM licenses, click on this icon one more time and confirm that you would like to perform this operation. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be sure that you want to do it. And that's it. As you can see, licenses have been deleted successfully. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.